Hello guys, welcome to Amapiano Zone UK. I've got this beat here. It's not private school exactly, but it's almost similar to it's one of those Amapiano beats just for grooving kind of thing. It's somewhere there, but not Amapiano, not private school. It's just somewhere there. It's just meant for grooving. Some of these beats I've heard them on some of these tapes which they make, these EPs. They just are made to flow. So imagine if you're mixing, it's just in there like a filler track. So I'm just gonna play it now. It's one of those types which are just designed to keep flowing, especially in a mix. It's not. That's why sometimes I don't really have much of stops in the middle. It's just supposed to keep going. I sometimes hear some of these from people like Quish DJ or SA and DJ Jaivane. They're quite good at those. So I'll leave the FLP in the description for you guys to use and everything. Please like and subscribe.